Hello, hi, my name's Tom, and I want to give you a short video here and show you the improvement that Papa and Smiles has added to my smile greatly. Now, I've had my first set for a year now, and they've been perfect. Um, Easy to take care of. Um, I like the look. Have a nice look. Yeah. Now, I want to show you where I started, and then I'm going to show you something else. Okay. There's the bottom. Ugh, terrible. Now wait. Are you ready? Yeah. Freaking scary, huh? All right. Now, just so you see this again real quick, I'm going to make sure. I'm going to show you the ones. These are the ones I've had. These are the ones I've had for a year. I just had those on. Now, I just ordered my backup. My backup, you can see they're a little bit brighter, but you don't realize it as you wear them that you really should have a backup pair and maybe start splitting them. Watch this. There we go. Now, look at that sweet smile. These are Hollywood white, so that you know that. And I highly suggest get yourself a pair of these, a set. Um, I'm going to order another set today because the new ones were so bright and nice, and my ones I've had for a year, I mean, they're anything's going to wear out after time. Although they're not worn out, I'm still going to use them. So, do yourself a favor. If your teeth look like mine or even close, get yourself some Pop On Smile. You'll be glad you did.